Welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how chocolate is made step by step. Don't forget to subscribe for more behind-the-scenes videos like this.
Achieving the perfect flavor requires a delicate balance of ingredients, carefully measured and slowly churned until the mixture is flawlessly smooth.
Every batch is refined and tested for quality. Every product is checked before leaving the facility.
And that's how chocolate is made. Poetry-wise, from start to finish.
Subscribe for more AI factory tours and process documentaries.